10 years in Salesforce and one trip to San Francisco changed everything. Hello everybody. So today I am here to talk about my journey with AI, how it all started. No, I did not start my career with AI. I started my career with Salesforce 10 years back. I started as a developer, moved on to become an architect, and today I'm a CEO of Kizzy Consulting. As you can see in the background, we are ISV partners with Salesforce, we are rich partners with Salesforce. So I have spent my entire 10 years or a decade into building softwares and CRMs, and helping customers increase their sales processes, sorry, not increase, probably better their sales processes, service processes, and things like that. How things changed. So I usually, whenever I go to San Francisco, I usually attend a Salesforce event, meet our customers, and come back. But this time it was different. So last year I went to San Francisco for Dreamforce, and I I really enjoyed the vibe. It was all around AI, and I was like, okay, I should attend maybe some events around AI or meet some founders into the AI ecosystem. So somebody introduced me to an event where I met 200 founders all around the globe. Somebody from Germany, somebody from Sydney, somebody from different parts of the US, building something crazy around AI. So I spent a few hours with them, understood what they are doing, and I knew what is the vision behind it. It was really intriguing, and I took along a lot. Then I went to Dreamforce. Salesforce launched Agent Force, which is an AI capability launched by Salesforce. If you already don't know about it, so I was pretty fascinated and buzzed with AI. Then I came back, I sat down with the marketing team, and I asked them what are the common pain points that we have today. And one of them I already knew was content creation and posting blogs and all these LinkedIn profiles posts, some photo creation and things like that. So they explained me the problems. One was related to some operation management, and the other one was related to the content creation. So over a weekend, I took my laptop, sat down, and architected around how we can, bring this AI ecosystem into place and develop something for our internal use. And I built that over a couple of months. I built a content creation engine for our marketing team, which is called Content Crafter, which we internally call it Content Crafter to be specific. And I'll also attach a small glimpse of it. And then we also built some operation automation tool using AI, and that really helped our team internally. And I was like, okay, this is like another AI agent, which is like a teammate for us. So why not explore more into it? And then we built a few other products internally, wherein so the biggest problem was we had a lot of processes, but the processes were not known to the entire team sometimes. So they always used to reach out to one person or another for asking what is the process around this and what is the process around that. So we built this tool wherein you can just ask a chatbot a question, and it used to dig into from our database or our documents and reply back. So that also saved a bit of a time for our HRs. That after that I started training my team into it on LangChain, QAI, N10, and all these autonomous workflows where we can build AI agents. So it was a completely life changing experience for me. I earlier I used to think that tech is only about CRM and Salesforce because I was into that world, but today I feel it is much beyond that. A lot of capabilities have increased with AI, and it is not just, it will not replace you for sure, but I think it is something you need to embrace, otherwise your competitors will get ahead of you, and you need to learn how you can improve your daily productivity with AI. So just stay tuned for this channel, and I will post more videos on what we learn that might help you in your AI journey as well. Thank you.